Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and today's video is an unboxing video. So this one is Look Fantastic, and if you don't know what Look Fantastic is, I'm going to give a brief little rundown here, but I will leave all the detailed information in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. But if you do know what Look Fantastic is, I will leave a timestamp in the comments down below so that you can just skip ahead to the good stuff. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription service from the website Look Fantastic, which is an online beauty retailer. They sell hair care, makeup, skincare, all things beauty related really. And they obviously also do subscription boxes. So as I said, it's monthly. It does tend to be more skincare heavy, but we have had quite a lot of makeup in the last few months, so that is something to bear in mind if you are more of a skincare fan. The boxes are £15 a month if you take out a monthly rolling subscription, but they do have other subscription plans which can reduce the cost of your box. So for instance, I've taken out a 12-month subscription with them, which means that my boxes cost £13 a month. So that's just a brief little description, but as I said, I will leave all the detailed information in the description box down below for you. So let's get into what's in the box. Really like the colour, I think it's a really pretty colour. Yellow stripe around the side. Inside the lid of the boxes there is usually some sort of quote, but this month it just says revive, refresh, recycle. I think this is supposed to be some sort of new sustainable packaging, so that's probably what that's sort of centred around. And inside we've got the booklet that tells us about the items and gives us a sneak peek for one of next month's items, which I'll get to in a second. And we also get a copy of Elle Magazine. So this is a complimentary copy. It doesn't add to the value of the box at all. It's just a nice little extra. And the value of this is £4.50. So if you like your fashion, this could be for you. If you commute to work, again, might be for you. It's a nice little size to pop in your handbag. So that's that. And as I said, we've got this little booklet. So we'll be referring to this as we go through the items in the box. So on the back, we've got a sneak peek for next month. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, again, I'll leave a timestamp down below. You can skip ahead. But for those of you that do want to know, February sneak peek is an ESPA or ESPA, never sure how to pronounce that brand, but it's the detoxifying body oil. It's a 15ml bottle. Designed to be used daily to firm skin and soothe muscles, this ESPA body oil is formulated with a blend of aromatic oils such as juniper berry and cypress to delight your senses. So that's pretty cool. On the inside page of the book there is a little note and it says revive. This January we're taking the opportunity to revitalise the mind and body with our Revive Edition beauty box containing 6 products to help you feel energised, invigorated and get your 2020 off to the best start. Plus this month's beauty box edit is jam-packed full of exciting new features. Here's to 2020 being the best year yet. Okay, so with all of that out of the way, let's get on to the reason that we're here. So we're all wrapped up in yellow paper this month, so we'll just get in. And the first item we've got is from Glove, and it's the moon pads. We have had a glove item from Look Fantastic before. It was a little, well, glove, and the idea is that you just wet it and it's supposed to remove your makeup. Didn't really work like that for me, but I don't really have much luck when it comes to those kind of products. I think it's just me, because lots of products that are supposed to do that, I hear people rave about them, they just don't seem to work for me. But these are the reusable makeup remover pads, and it's a 3-pack. So we'll just have a little look inside, see what they look like. Ooh, they're pink. This is what they look like. So very fluffy, very soft, quite like the feel of them. And I'm guessing they're going to work the same way, but we'll have a look at the book and see what it says. Okay, so the moon pads are worth £7.11 and it says minimise your makeup removal routine with the help of Gloves moon pads. Reusable and sustainable, the pads are made from microfibres that break down dirt and impurities to give a deep cleanse and exfoliation in one. Simply soak a pad with warm water or your favourite cleanser and gently swipe over face, suitable for machine wash after use. So yeah, as I said, sounds really good. I'm a bit dubious. I've never had much success with anything like this, but I'll give it a go and see. Okay, so next we've got a spot stick tea tree oil thing. Okay, so it is from a brand called Australian Body Care. Makes sense with tea tree oil. I'm guessing as it's called a spot stick, you can use it to try and treat spots, but we'll just have a look. Okay, so that's just in a little bottle like that, and it's a little roller ball. There we go. So this is quite an easy way to sort of apply it, so that's cool. I'm quite lucky. I don't really get spots a lot, but I do occasionally get some, so I can use that as and when I do. And the RRP on this is $9.99, and it says treat that spot fast with the help of the Australian Body Care Blemish Stick infused with 100% tea tree oil. With fantastic antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, used at the first sign of a breakout to fight bacteria, reduce redness and speed up the healing process. Apply an even amount over the affected area as often as required until healed. Not sure how much use I'm going to get out of it, but you never know, it might come in handy, and it's a nice little size to just keep in a little medicine box or cabinet or something like that. Okay, so I'm intrigued by the name of this. So it's the Mio Boob Tube Plus. I think we'll investigate this further. So, multi-action bust cream, as you do. Okay, so this is one of 3 items that we could have received. There was the boob tube, which is what I've got, a skin tight or a shrink to fit. All of them are worth £9. I've obviously got the boob tube, and it says these antioxidant rich creams effectively tone and smooth the appearance of skin, revealing soft, firm, fit skin for life. Infused with a wide mix of beneficial ingredients including papaya, hyaluronic acid, green tea and caffeine, these products will look after your skin from top to toe. Use as part of your daily body care routine. To see best results, massage product into the skin using circular motions. Let's just see what the bottle actually says. On the back of the bottle it just says, what women really love about Boob Tube Plus is the effect on their skin. With a short time, the skin on your neck, chest and bust can look more toned, healthy and smoother. Apparently it's rich in omega-3, 6 and 9, hyaluronic acid, CoQ10, plus an army of mega moisturising ingredients, all working overtime to help your skin look smooth and firm. Apply a daily dose of Boob Tube Plus from below your boobs to the top of your neck. Feel free to thank us. I suppose I'll give it a go, see what happens. I'm not expecting miracles, but it's certainly an interesting product. Moving on. So next we've got a little lip pencil from Lord & Berry, and this is in the shade Just Naked. Am I supposed to be sensing a theme here? Anyway, so that is what that looks like there, and let's give it a little swatch. And that's what colour it looks like on my hand there. So, nudie, beigey, browny sort of colour. To be fair, I don't really have a lot of this sort of shade. The majority of the lip liners I've got are more of a pinky sort of nude, so I think this could probably actually add to my collection, which is really good. So let's see what the little book says. The Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner is worth £15, and it says, with macadamia oil, water lily extracts and enriched with LXB complex, this Lord & Berry lip liner will soften your lips from first application. This round barrel pencil is completely waterproof and highly blendable to give a more natural lip lining look. Line and fill the lips and finish with your favourite gloss or lipstick. Sounds promising. Definitely willing to give that a go. So we'll see how we get on with that. Next is something that was sneak peeked from last month's box, and it is the E-Cooking Moisturising Serum. We have had an E-Cooking product before, and I think that was from Look Fantastic. And I'll be honest, I haven't used it because it scared the life out of me. I think it was a face mask, but the description basically said that it was supposed to turn your face red, and I really didn't like the idea of that. I just remember thinking, that can't be good. So let's see what the book says about this one, see whether I'll be more willing to give this a go. The moisturising serum is worth £21.50. Replenish lost moisture and hydrate your skin with the weightless, non-greasy moisturising serum from E-Cooking. Full of hyaluronic acid to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Vegan and free from parabens and fragrances. Plump a couple of drops onto fingertips and spread gently over cleansed skin. So that actually sounds really nice. I like the fact that it's moisturising. I quite like trying out new serums, so that's something that I will definitely get some use out of, so that's nice. So normally we get 6 products in Look Fantastic, but this month we seem to have 7, but these seem to be sort of a set, so I'm wondering if they come together. I'll have a look in a moment and find out. But it's the Sebastian Dark Oil. They're both with jojoba and argan oil. One is a shampoo and one is a conditioner. So that's those. It says dark oil, lightweight shampoo and conditioner. 2 50ml bottles worth £7.92. Infused with a special blend of nourishing oils including jojoba and argan, this salon grade shampoo and conditioner duo effectively cleanses and conditions hair without weighing it down. Use regularly to see a noticeable improvement in softness, volume and shine. Lather shampoo into wet hair and rinse thoroughly, repeat if necessary. Follow with conditioner, leaving for 3 minutes before rinsing. So that's quite nice. It's nice that they've sent us both the shampoo and the conditioner. Absolutely hate it when you get one or the other because I like to try both things together. But yeah, quite like that those are in there. It's definitely something that I will be willing to try out, so that's cool. So just to do a quick recap of everything that is in this month's box then, we've got the glove makeup remover pads. We've got the Lord & Berry lip liner. We've got the E-Cooking Moisturising Serum. The Mio Boob Tube Plus. The Australian Body Care Tea Tree Spot Stick. And the Sebastian Dark Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. So overall, not a great box for me this month. I'm not looking at the things getting really excited over anything in particular, but that's just the way these things work sometimes. Sometimes you'll get a really good box that you're really excited about. Sometimes, like this month for me, you get a box that you're a bit about. I will probably use all of the items that are in the box, but am I excited by them all? No, but that's just the way subscription boxes work, you know. It's essentially a mystery box. You can't choose what's in there. Sometimes you get some stuff that you're really excited about, sometimes you don't. This month for me, just not that excited. But it's fine, we'll try again next month. So if you've got any thoughts or feelings about any of the items in the box today, just drop a comment in the box down below. What did you think of the box? Did you like it? Are you a bit like me? Did you think it was a bit this month? Just let me know. But that is everything from me then, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.